Welcome learners for the lecture 70 of a linear algebra. Today we discuss about the change of a coordinate matrix. In this matrix, how to I means identity matrix changes to the form. If we put it u equals to x square in all the value, they will be generated to the linear transformation as well as matrices. Let us go started as the lectures. The change of a coordinate matrix. In the area of a mathematics, a change of variable is used simplified to the appearance of the expression. For example, we get it as a calculus in the antiderivatives of a 2x e to the power x to the power x square can be found in the making the change of variable, that is a u equals to x square. The result of this expression give to the simple form of the antiderivative of easily organized. If suppose that we get it at the form 2 putting to the value of the equation, that is the integration 2x e to the power x to the power x square dx equals to, if we put it as a form, that is a x square equals to u, then we changing to the value, that all the value will be changes to the form of this equation, that is a e to the power u du equals to e to the power u plus c equals to e x square plus c, because e to the power u equals to e to the power x square. Similarly, in the geometry of the change of some of the variable, if suppose that x equals to 2 square root of a 5 x dash minus 2 square root of a 5 y dash, then if we put it to the value of this equation, y equals to generated to the value 1 upon square root 5 x dash minus 2 square root of 5 y dash, they generated to the value of a equation that is can be expressed in the transforming form of the equation, that is a 2x square minus 4xy plus 5y square, when they combining to the form of a xy generated to the value will be putting in this form equals to 1 into the simple equation generated to the form, that is x dash square plus 6y dash square equals to 1, in which form it is easily seen to be the equation is called as a elliptical form. We can see to the change of variable is determined in the geometrically. This change of variable we uses, that is a xy is considered as a x dash y dash. This x dash y dash is the position of the points P in the plane. Some plane will be described. Sometimes they will be introducing in the new frame of a reference, that is a x dash y dash coordinate system with the coordinate axis rotated in the form of the original xy. Okay, this is a coordinate axis. The new coordinate axis are choose to lies to the direction of the ellipse. Okay, the unit vector along the x dash consider as a x axis and y dash consider as a y axis. For the order basis, they will be generated to the form. If suppose that beta will be given to that form of the equation, first will be 1 upon square root of 5 and 1 by 2, and second will be given as a 1 upon square root of 5 minus 1 by 2. First will be considered as a positive and second will be considered as a negative form. For given as a value of the matrix r square, and the change of variable is actually the change form of a beta p equals to xy. The coordinate vectors p relates to the standard order basis. Beta is considered as a e1 e2 to e p will be generated as a basis b dash equals to x dash y dash. The coordinate axis is related to the new rotated form of the basis b, they generated to the value. Suppose that the designing to the diagram, that will be x-axis and y-axis consider. If we rotate in a elliptical form, this x is changes as a x dash and y is changes to the y dash. This form will be generated in a elliptical form. Okay, a natural questions arises, how can a coordinate vector relate to one basis to change the coordinate vector relates to the other basis? How do they related to the each other in that basis of the equation? The system of equation relating the new and old coordinate, they generated to the form. First will be given as a equation, that is a metric equation, x by y equals to 1 upon square root of 5. In a common both of this condition, first will be generated 1 by 2 and second will be generated minus 1 by 2 x dash y dash. Okay, this equation now with the matrix form q equals to 1 upon square root of 5 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 in this form. Okay, you know that identity matrix I to beta base is considered as a beta, where I denote the identity transformation on the r square. Thus, they will be generated to the value of a equation. that will be considered into the form equal to the value I is denoted as the identity transformation of the matrix, that is r square. Thus v basis equals to q v basis b dash generated for all the value v is an element of r square. Hence the similar result is true for the general equation. Okay, next corollary will be generated in this form. Let a is an element of a m n into n function of a f matrix, and let gamma be the order basis for the f to the power n. Then LA gamma equals to q minus 1 AQ. They will be generated this value A, where Q is the n into n matrix whose jth column is the jth vector of a gamma. Let A equals to 2 1 0 1 1 3 0 minus 1. A equals to 2 1 0 1 1 minus 1 0 3 0. They will be generated. Then let we generating to the form gamma equals to generated to the condition, that is the row is converted to column and column is converted to row in this form. Okay, they will be generated to the equation. Another form of a gamma, there is a minus 1 0 0, this is 2 1 0, and another is a 1 1 1. They generating to the form. Then after that, which is the order basis for r to the power 3, let q be the 3 into 3 matrix with the jth column and jth vector of a gamma. Then a equals to generated to the value this condition, and q inverse will be generated to the value minus 1. Minus 1 consider as a 1 0, another is a 2 1 0, other one will be considered as a minus 1 1. Okay, this is a q inverse. So by the preceding corollary to generate it to the value of this function L A gamma, both of this condition that will be generated, q inverse A q inverse is generated minus 1 1 0 2 1 0 minus of minus 1. They will be generated to the form. This both of equation is generating to how to condition will be applied to gamma and how to consider as a will be given.